Me and my boo Maddie is about to change this tire, honey, and this is about to be a mess. Can you see it? Oh, this thing is so heavy. Oh my God. What is it? What? It's a mess. All right. Oh, Jesus. Woo. All right. So I got the damn tire out. Oh, this is a mess. This thing is heavy. Don't. Oh my God, this is a mess.
Got you in the car though.
Alright. Alright, boom. We just gonna set this right here. Like so. Next is the jack. This is supposed to go under here somewhere.
Alright, I'm recording.
See, you ain't know what she was doing. You gotta put it on a little metal part that's underneath. And not, see, she hooked it on right here.
Yeah,
But that's how she bent the little piece on her car. Then you just slide this on. Can you see?
Yeah.
Alright. So let me try to see if this is going to work. Alright. So. Alright.
Is it going up?
Easy. Yeah.
Oh, no. You heard that?
Yeah, hold up. Maybe it got to get tight. Don't go too crazy with it. So we see if it's lifting up off the ground. So, but I ain't get it. Is it starting? It look like it's starting to lift up.
I don't see it. Okay, y'all. We don't know what we're doing right here, but we're doing something. We're doing something.
We don't know what we doing at all. Hold up. So my stupid friend, she don't know what she's doing at all either. So at least I'm trying to take initiative. Is it coming up or what, Madi? It got to be coming up off the ground now. Enough is enough.
It's not. Okay.
It is coming up.
Okay, that's supposed to be on the ground. Okay, this is coming up.
The car coming up, right?
This is coming up. The wheel is nowhere near up.
I don't think the wheel is supposed to come up. I think we just trying to lift this up, the wheel up off the ground.
The wheel is supposed to come up.
No,
like the wheel's supposed to be off the ground.
Up, but it's flat as crap, Maddie, so it's not gonna come all the way up. We lifting it up though. Let's come. Why is the whole tire spinning? Maybe.
I don't know. We gotta zoom that in.
Oh no. You ain't gonna get this tire, girl. This is a mess. This is a mess. This is a mess. No female should be subject to this. Only thing I know how to do with cars is drive them, and that's it.
I wanna try. Oh no. The whole wheel is coming off.
Do you think we jacked it up too high?
No. Cause I saw somebody was all the way up there. Like, not capping.
Shut up, Maddie.
This is nowhere near where he was at.
Right.
On 10th Street.
I don't know which way to go. So I had to go get some force. Somebody with some force and some slides on to help us out. Yeah, try anyway. Which way you think it'll go? Because I don't know, honey.
How does she do this?
He giving us a little butt on the camera.
The one I work on cars.
Is it coming down? I think it was spinning. So kids and teenagers are freaking amazing. I was able to get this off because it just wasn't panning out for me. Go ahead, E-Man. You is buff.
You should work on cars.
Yes.
There you go. Go ahead, E-Man. I would have never been able to do that. We'd have been out here for the rest of the night.
That's because you was turning it this way.
Right. Well, I was going the wrong way with it from the door. Yes, y'all.
Something else that I come out. Air gotta come out.
Yes, E-Man. That's what I'm talking about, E-Man. Go ahead. The tire's so beat up. It's just... That tire caught a hard way to go. Yes. I think it's the other way. It's the other way, E-Man. Why would you try to put the donut on that way?
Oh, I didn't even know.
Alright, so you just line up. You line up the donuts. Do we gotta go down lower, or can you just pick it up?
Yeah, I gotta go down lower. One,
Yeah.
You guys are amazing.
See? See it? Now they gotta go higher.
So now the bolts go on. And I think, alright, these gotta get tightened. But you gotta like, ooh, this the wrong way. You gotta tighten them like randomly. Like, tighten them up a little bit at a time.
My throat.
Like, I'ma screw these. And then we can go back in with the little joint. Alright. Now you get the little handlebar and tighten them up. Woo, Jesus.
I'm gonna make sure these real tight. 'Cause I don't want these coming off.
Remember, tighten them up, like rotate it, like go to different ones, tighten them a little bit, and then just move to the next one. We're gonna be on the move in no time flat. Go ahead, E-Man. Who's better than E-Man? Nobody. Look, take that off and lower it down to the ground now.
I got it.
Lower it down, then you probably should tighten it from it being on the ground. Because the tire gonna keep spinning. You ain't gonna be able to tighten it. It'll be faster if you put it, if you just like rotate it, but don't take it all the way down to the ground. Even how was you able to do all this with slides on?
Make sure you wear that nose before you
Yes.
do all that. should have heard the noise.
I ain't really tighten this.
Do you have an intro?
Alright.
Alright, so now my Maddie Boo Boo is lowering the car back down to the floor.
Yes, it is. It's gonna be a struggle, but it's okay.
Look at her go. Yes, Maddie. Go ahead, girl. Alright, when it start getting loose, you gotta slow it down so it don't pop off.
That's good.
No, just, you can continue to rotate it, but see how it's starting to slide because it's starting to loosen up? So just take it slow so that it don't come off the car unexpectedly. Yeah. Yes, Madison. Yes, Maddie. So we got the donut on ASAP. So we got the donut on, and we are ready to rock and roll. But remember, don't leave that donut on and be calling yourself riding all around town, because it is a donut. It is a spare tire. Don't think you got a new tire. Take your butt on down to the tire shop and get you a new tire. And don't throw your old tire in the trash, because you got to take it so they can replace the tire, and they're going to need your rim.
But, more of the story, have you some kids. Thanks for watching. Bye.